important than teaching young people backwards acting?
Why are you dressed like a clown?
Who is that girl?
She's my friend and roommate, Sam.
Well, she's not allowed to be in it.
It's Cycleworks, Mama.
Orange
know.
sauce. Class dismissed.
Back.
Now, what's all the hissy fuss?
You don't have a class in here after lunch, do you?
Why?
We need to use this classroom.
You strike me as fishy.
She can be pushy.
I can also be punchy and kicky.
Can we please use your classroom after lunch?
For what?
Charity.
What charity?
The Salvation Gomez.
That's them.
What does this charity do?
They help teachers grow hair.
My classroom is yours.
Okay, this is your classroom.
My classroom.
Yeah. You better be a good teacher, or else you're going to be back in Louisiana working in a crawdad factory.
Where's Dice? You said he was going to be here.
He's coming.
When? What's taking so long?
He's only 12. I had to dress him up so he'll look like a rainbow